20th Century Fox Bloopers 11. Okay, first take, and action. Cut! Why does it say 20th Andrea Production?
Because I wanted to put Andrea Production instead of Century Fox. Hee 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 ha ha ha.
It's not 20th Andrea Production, it's 20th Century Fox. Get it right, please.
Okay.
Second take, and action. Cut! Why does it say 22nd Century Box?
Because I wanted to put 22nd instead of 20th, and I wanted to replace the letter F with the letter B. Ha 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 ha.
And the bottom says a spoof of 20th Century Fox. It is a spoof of 20th Century Fox. But it's not 22nd Century Box. It's supposed to say 20th Century Fox.
Okay, fine.
Third take, action. Cut! Why does it say Papa 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 Pa?
Well, I wanted to do something funny like this. Ha 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 ha.
Okay, that one was pretty funny, but it's not Papa 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 Pa. It's 20th Century Fox. That's one of the weirdest logos I've seen.
Fine, I'll get it right.
Fourth take, action. Cut! Why does it say Disney Fox Studios like in TCF Bloopers 2?
Well, I just like that logo better. Ha ha ha.
Okay, it's not Disney Fox Studios, it's 20th Century Fox.
Fine.
Next take, action. Cut! Why does it say E?
Again, I wanted to do something funny. Ha 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 ha.
That is one big letter E. That one was hilarious, but it's not E. It's 20th Century Fox.
All right.
Next take, action. Huh? Why is the music slowing down? Whoa! What? Cut. Why did 20th Century Fox get replaced with limited edition produced by M&I?
Because I wanted revenge on 20th Century Fox, and I wanted to put this logo there. Hee 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 ha ha ha.
Huh. It's not limited edition produced by M&I. It's supposed to be 20th Century Fox. Now get it right.
Fine.
Next take. Action. What's going on? Why are there sounds of electricity? Cut! What happened to all the lights? Why did all the lights go off? It's a power cut.
I made all the lights go off for no reason. Hee 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 ha ha ha.
Really? It's not supposed to be a power cut version. It's supposed to be the normal version. Now get it right.
Fine.
Next take. Action. Cut. Why does it say ZKO Studios Australia? This is like Fox Studios Australia, but with ZKO instead of Fox.
Well, I put that logo there because I like it that way. Hee 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 ha ha ha.
It's not ZKO Studios Australia, it's 20th Century Fox.
Okay, fine.
Next take. Action. Cut! What did I say about Disney Fox Studios? Also, why did you put home entertainment, and why did you add the Chipmunks fanfare and the X-Men theme?
Because I like those better.
It's not Disney Fox Studios Home Entertainment, it's 20th Century Fox, and it should only have the normal fanfare. You have 2 more chances, okay?
Okay.
Second to last take. Action. Cut. Why is the 20th Century Fox logo cubed?
Because I like it being cubed. Ha 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 ha.
It's not supposed to be cubed. It's supposed to be normal. If you mess up one more time, you're out of the studio, okay?
Okay, I'll get it right if I can.
Okay, good. Final take. Action. Yes, you finally got the logo right. Good job.
Yay!
That wraps up part 11. See you in the next video.